colleague Ematas, and this is my colleague Mandas, and we will show you how to cook a cake called Siokra.
Yeah, exactly. Let's present what we will need for this dish,
We have sour cream,
which is about 300 grams,
we have 5 eggs,
which is 3 white eggs and 2 brown eggs, or you can make it 3 brown eggs and 2 white eggs.
we
Or
have,
actually, it doesn't matter.
yeah, that's for sure. We have baking soda,
And we
and,
have cacao, about 2 spoons,
and also butter,
about 100 grams of butter.
sugar,
It's about 200 grams or a glass,
yeah.
and
If you like
about,
sweet, so you can put more.
and about 300 grams of flour.
Yeah,
And you need some vanilla sugar to put to the sugar. We start the dish from first of all melting our butter in the pot,
yeah. On a small,
and Eimantas is going to do that.
on a small fire, we are going to.
Yeah, the fire should be like 1 or 2 points, not more. So, and me, while Eimantas is cooking, I'm taking 2 small pots to separate egg score from the white stuff, which is, I don't know how it's called.
Yeah, I also don't know.
Okay, and now the next step is that we have to put baking soda to the sour cream. Doing this way, it's called, how is it called?
I don't know. Fireman.
Yeah, it's like we're like not making fire.
Not making fire in the kitchen. Don't do that at home, kids.
So I'm putting all this sugar to the eggs, or basically maybe I will take just another pot.
Or better to mix them in bigger pots.
Yeah, I will put the sugar, and I will put the eggs.
And the butter is kind of ready. Almost.
Okay, so wait with the butter.
Yeah.
Yes, you have to mix it. I'm taking a mixer, which is kind of necessity for this show. And I have to. First of all, we put this pot, which should be really low temperature here. I put sour cream, and then I'm putting sugar with eggs with the coarse effect. That same pot. The sugar should melt, but it shouldn't boil or anything. I think it's enough. Now we can put it to the just simple pot.
To the
Bowl.
big- simple bowl.
I will turn it off there. Now this will mix flour and the rest of the mess.
Yeah.
I'm going to wash the dishes. Eggs here. They look like this. And then we are putting the rest of the white stuff from the eggs and mixing it further.
The mixing is taking a
Yeah,
lot of
and
time.
use the mixer this time. We have here a pot where we put the mass, but we have one more job remaining. That is, we have to separate this mass to split it into 2, and in one of the pots we have to mix it with cacao. So that's how we make
Those
2 colors,
Yeah, those dark stripes.
dark stripes and white stripes.
So guys, now we have like 2 pots. One is with the white cream and the other is with the brown cream. And Eimantas will be responsible for the chocolate one and I will be responsible for vanilla one.
And then we have a like baking pot, which is round, like this baking pot.
Yeah. And in this form we put some butter just to make this cake not to stick to any holes of the egg.
So it would be easier for us to dig it out.
Yeah. And we start from the white one, and then we go with the brown one, and then again the white one, and then again the brown, and that's till infinity. So just what do you think is enough?
I think here we need more. Take a look. Just we can turn around.
Now the brown one.
And right now the brown.
So Eimantas, it's like what we done.
Yeah. So we can.
Yeah, we can put it to the oven.
Yeah, because
It's ready. You open the oven.
it's kind of pretty. It's got inside.
About half an hour today, and you can test it with a match or something.
Yeah,
if
wood.
it's wet, that means that you have to keep it for a bit longer.
It looks kind of big.
Looking forward to see you at our next video next week.
Yeah.
Whatever it is.